Hello, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, we're tackling XAUUSD, a symbol that has seen significant volatility recently. Let's start by reviewing some of the headlines and news impacting the gold market. Recent news indicates a pullback in gold prices after hitting record highs, possibly due to comments from Federal Reserve Chair Powell. Looking at the daily chart, we can identify a recent surge in price, creating a new all-time high above $2,950. This rapid increase is followed by a noticeable correction, bringing the price back to approximately $2,900. The volume during this price surge is considerable, but the subsequent drop showcases a decline in trading activity. This may indicate a period of consolidation or indecision in the market. Let's now switch to the 1-hour chart to examine short-term trends more closely. The hourly chart provides a more detailed view of the recent price movement, emphasizing the volatility. Zooming in on the 1-hour chart over the last 24 hours reveals substantial fluctuations, reflecting the market's sensitivity to current events. We're observing several instances of support and resistance forming, indicating potential turning points. Looking at the 15-minute chart, we can identify the high frequency of the short-term trading activity. The rapid changes observed in the 15-minute chart highlight the short-term volatility and fast pace of XAUUSD's movement. Notice the frequent changes in direction across these various timeframes, suggesting that the market is responding dynamically to news and economic data. It is crucial to consider the short-term and long-term perspective simultaneously to make informed decisions. Moving back to the daily chart, it is important to focus on the broader context. This provides critical information for establishing long-term investment strategies, even as short-term fluctuations are observed on the shorter timeframe charts. Based on the chart analysis, we can identify key support levels around $2,850 and resistance levels near $2,950. While a bullish outlook exists due to the recent record highs, the likelihood of immediate price action is uncertain, given the pullback. However, if economic factors and global events align favorably, a move towards the resistance level of $2,950 is possible, though short-term reversals may occur. If the price breaks below the support level of $2,850, it may signify a broader bearish trend. It's important to monitor any news related to inflation, interest rate decisions, and geopolitical events, which will significantly impact the price of gold. Furthermore, the relative strength of the US dollar against other currencies plays a role in the XAUUSD price. Consider using technical indicators like moving averages, RSI, and MACD to complement your analysis. In summary, we've observed a recent surge in XAUUSD, reaching record highs above $2,950, followed by a pullback around $2,900. Key support levels are around $2,850, and resistance is near $2,950. The likelihood of price movements towards these levels depends on various factors, making short-term predictions highly uncertain. Therefore, diligent monitoring of economic data, geopolitical developments, and technical indicators is crucial. Remember to always manage your risk effectively while trading in the highly volatile market of precious metals.